Hello, my name is Kimberley Littlemore. I'm the Creative Director at eHealth Digital Media. My role there is I'm an innovator and filmmaker. We've got an innovation called Pocket Medic. So we make series of films to support people to live well with chronic conditions, and we make film content for healthcare professionals and social care professionals. Okay, so the woman that impresses me is my former executive producer at the BBC. She's a woman called Julia Simmons. She basically, I credit her with making people into the best people they can be. So I responded really, really well to her managerial style, which was to have extremely high expectations of people, to want the very best, to insist on the best, to encourage, she had extremely strong values, she had extremely strong standards or high standards, and I so badly wanted her to say, wow Kim, that's really good. So much so that I'd work any number of hours, I would travel anywhere around the world, I would do anything to try and be the person that she could see might be inside me. The advice to someone in my field is to keep your eyes on that distant, bright horizon. Focus on the end goal. That end goal might change, it might vary, it might alter, but keep looking ahead. In doing so, you'll fall over some hurdles and some obstacles that come in your way, but because you're so focused on the future and you're focused on your goal, you'll dust yourself down, get up and keep going. So anybody who works as any kind of entrepreneur needs to be quite robust and quite resilient. And so when you've got a clear vision of where you're heading and what you want to try and achieve, it makes it a lot easier to keep going and get that enthusiasm and not give up and keep ploughing on, no matter who tells you, no, you can't do that, or this will be impossible, or whatever else.